So if your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro seems to be stuck in voiceover mode, then you can fix that with two ways. So one is to call on your voice assistant, and that's Siri. So if you talk to Siri, you can tell her to turn off your the voiceover mode. So turn off voiceover mode.
Okay, I turned VoiceOver off.
There you go. So now voiceover mode has been disabled and you can use your phone normally. Now, in case for some reason you had turned off Siri and you have voiceover mode enabled, then here's how to navigate. I'm going to show you just now. So like that, from the home page, basically what you need to do, even if you need to enter your passcode or your phone is locked or whatever, is to select something, you need to press on it once to highlight it and then double press to select it. So from the home screen here, I'll go to settings. So I'll tap on settings once to highlight it and then double press to open settings. And then I'll go to accessibility, press it once to highlight, and then double press to select it. And that's how you want to navigate across this. And if you need to scroll, you can just scroll using 3 fingers like that. Okay. So I can come here, select once, and then double tap, go to voiceover, and then to turn off, because it's already highlighted, just double press, and that's going to turn off voiceover mode. So that's basically how to fix any iPhone 17 or 17 Pro that seems to be stuck in voiceover mode. Thanks for watching. Good luck.